Light of lights, eternal hope has come.
But the great challenge as I observe, wala sa amo, kundi naa sa inyong panahon. Una nga samtang nag-worship ta sa Ginoo, na malandong ako nga ang Ginoo nag-preparar kaninyo not just for a camp, but God is sending you here. God sent you here for His divine purpose and intent.
Hope has come. Hear the angels song, break the silent night. Lift up your eyes, lift up your eyes. See the saving one, born and none may die. Lift up your eyes, lift up your eyes. Glory to God, let the praises rise. Lift up your eyes, lift up your eyes. Glory to God, let the earth reply. Lift up your eyes.
Tungod kay akong ampo, maigsoon nga karon akong kabugaton mao nga naagay pipila nga niya dinhi nga may pinasahi ang tawag sa Ginoo sa inyong kinabuhi.
Where the sons of earth and